out a few stuff for my birthday.
Yeah.
It's party.
How did you feel when people like recognized us?
Oh my god, nothing my feelings. I can't thank them enough.
No, you have.
Preeti gave me a sari, like she gifted me coming here after a really long time. Not emotional. Yeah. I just enter home and this is like a community. Everyone is Whitefield and Shantiniketan. As soon as we are back, are all going. All thanks to you. Yes, but again the sister here. So. Yeah. It was so weird for me. He kept looking back. Hi guys, good morning. It's a Saturday. It's 1st of August. It's my birthday month. Anyway, I woke up at 8. I don't know if I filmed last night after I came back. I slept at 1. I woke up at 8. I had a very good sleep though. I didn't wake up in the middle of the night, so that's always good. Yesterday was really hectic. I really wanted to go help Orpidi out, so I left and I spent the second half of the day almost there at the exhibition. Today I have a lot of work. Clean the sofa and kind of clean this. Manjot's clothes are there, washed clothes, and I also made the bed, so everything is done. We still need to water the plants. We haven't eaten anything. Manjot broke a plate in the morning. I am now cleaning the pujo room, like pujo table room. The dust hoega, I don't know if you guys can see, it's so dusty. I need to clean this. I need to clean all the thakurs. I've kept everything here. After that, I have to edit. I don't know when I'll do what. I'll go take a shower. We'll probably eat and then we'll again head out. I'll go to Safina Plaza. I'll see what's the scene. If she needs any help, I'll help her out. Probably gonna take a salad for her because she doesn't eat lunch. Since it's my birthday month, I think I'll do a little bit of like birthday shopping. Very little. So I might go to H&M later. But let's see. It is a busy day. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. Please keep watching. Breakfast looks ugly, but I don't think it's gonna taste bad. I'm gonna watch something. It is 1 something and I'm ready. I've also done pujo. Manjot's actually watered the plants. He's done laundry, in the sense he's put everything in the washing machine. And I've done pujo. There you go. I also got a few things for the staff at in Safina Plaza, the B6Y staff. So I got a lot of chips packets, bread rolls. I also got buttermilk. The reason I got this is because I saw them yesterday. They were really busy, so they didn't really have time to sit and eat. And I felt like if I get them stuff like this, it's very easy to sort of work and just keep eating. I don't know, like if I did the right thing, but this is whatever I thought of. So I also ordered a grilled chicken salad for Orpidi because I think she'll like it. She's also very health conscious and she's gorgeous. So we ordered a grilled chicken salad and it's on the way. So we're just waiting for that to come and then we're going to leave. We are going to go to the Gurudwara. We're going to go to H&M because I want to try out a few stuff for my birthday. Let's see. And then come back home. I don't think we're going to do a lot other than that because Manjot wants to stay at home, watch Dhurandhar or Gilmore Girls and have pizza. Hello. Oh my god, guys, what do I even tell you? I ordered grilled chicken salad for Orpidi. It took the guy 2 hours to get it delivered. We wanted to cancel it, it wouldn't get cancelled. We were so frustrated, we took the car and we just came outside the gate, the main gate. We were just standing there. We stood there for 45 minutes, then we got it. And then now we are going to Safina Plaza. It's really late. I think we would be 2 hours earlier. It's 4. I think we would reach by 2 otherwise. Anyway, 11 more minutes to reach. I'm tired, but we have like so much more planned. We have to go to the Gurudwara. We have to go shopping. Let's see how everything goes. But I'm sure it'll be exciting. So that's not a problem. Almost here. We are now walking. Hamdar parking paini, so we had to park in the back road. We're gonna go to Safina. We reached. Chale eschi. Here it's very crowded, but it's a little bit more organized ajke. We also met a lot of our viewers, which was my favorite part of the day. Seriously? So basically, now Manjot's Bangla thing is very famous.
It's hit.
Yeah.
It's party. Like Punjabi's party and Shopta is there.
Punjabi's party in chapter.
Shopta is here. মানে আমি যেহেতু রেগুলার দেখি না আমি মুখস্থ করে ফেলি ইদানিং অ্যাডিকশন হয়ে গেছে একে তো এই অ্যাডিকশন করে দিয়েছে
হ্যাঁ আমি একদম
বাজে মহিলা কিন্তু রিসেন্টলি মানে সাডেনলি সার্চ করতে করতে একদিন কি হলো এটা কি এই পিএসএ থাকে
হ্যাঁ
দেখতেই হবে
ও
রেগুলার ব্যাঙ্গালোরে এত মানে আমার মুখস্থ হয়ে যায় একটা হোয়াইট ফিল্ড একটা প্রেস্টিজ আর
হ্যাঁ
শান্তিনিকেতন
হ্যাঁ
আমরা শান্তিনিকেতন মানে অলমোস্ট রেগুলার যাই রেগুলার আমার
বাড়ির পাশে মল আছে ওটাও শান্তিনিকেতন মল
ওদের বাড়ির মধ্যেই না
Satna are wandering around.
How did you feel when people like recognized us?
It's special.
Special, yeah, that's a really nice word.
আমার জন্য best part ছিল when I met a few of you who watch our videos and it felt so nice. It literally felt like we're meeting extended family. I'm going to be in Aarti Nagar very soon for the Bengali festival. So if you're there and if you spot us, please come and say hi. We'd love to meet and connect with you. Anyway, after our quick walk, we quickly had to head back because the exhibition had gotten really busy. The billing queue was getting really long, so I started helping out with the billing to clear it faster.
Now she's doing my billing. I'm helping out with the billing. Orpidi, superstar, didn't even eat anything, and she's just going on and on.
but special I can't thank them enough both of them they have been so sweet and we
Oh.
work like a team
Yeah,
so,
we are a team.
yeah but without you too and like Shravana auntie and Akantan was also there so I don't know what would have happened
It would have been fine. We would have been there anyway. Manjot's mixing Orpidi's salad. And say hi. She's so sweet. She's just in 11th grade and she's like such a sweetheart. Yeah, imagine ISC PCMB.
Need to beat them all that on my life.
Yeah. Damn, I want to know how it is.
ভালো লাগে একটু
No, you have.
নজর দিবি পেট খারাপ করবে আমার
It is very healthy.
আমি লবঙ্গ থেকে আমার এই সাইডে
Numb. I know, it's really numb. Auntie, তুমি একটু hello বলে দাও আমার vlog-এ. This is the auntie, the sweetest auntie. Auntie also stays in Whitefield. Yeah. So you guys will see me soon going to auntie's house and auntie will also come to my house. Yeah. Yeah.
So please come. I have two sons. This is my elder son.
Hello বলো.
বলবে তো আমি কি জানবো
Tata. Thank you. Auntie Tata. See you tomorrow. Hi guys. Okay, so we just got out of Safina Plaza. We're going to Gurdwara. There's only half an hour left. We really hope we make it on time. But it's all up to Babaji. If he wants to give us darshan today, we'll make it. So I'm not doing a lot of tension. But the sweetest thing happened. Orpiti gave me a sari, like she gifted me a sari. That's so sweet of her. And honestly, this sari is something that I was really eyeing yesterday. And it's so pretty. I'll show you guys when I reach home. And this is Beyond 6 Yards own workers have actually made this design. So it's very custom and it's beautiful. I'll again go tomorrow. So it's not over yet, guys. Yeah, so let's hopefully get to the Gurdwara now and then. We wanted to go to H&M, but I don't think that'll happen today. But I think I'll just order online because I don't get my size anyway, so that's fine. And yeah, let's see what happens. We are almost here. It's 8:12, 15 minutes left. Fingers crossed. We're just going up now. Coming here after a really long time.
Coming to the Gurdwara after so long felt so peaceful. Sometimes you don't even realize how much you needed to visit a place of worship until you're actually there. That's exactly how I felt. Meeting so many of you today felt like such a blessing, and standing here, I just felt so grateful for everything God has given. I also prayed that one day I'm in a position where I can help more people and also animals. Once we reached the entrance of the Gurdwara, there was ardas going on, so we waited outside for a while before going in. And then it was my favorite part, the Gurdwara Prasad. And of course, like a true devotee, I always rub the extra ghee from the prasad onto my hands because it's the best moisturizer for your skin. How do you feel coming to the Gurdwara after so long? Huh?
Very good.
Yeah? Okay guys, we are done with the Gurdwara. It was so nice. I got emotional. Yeah. I always get emotional whenever I go to a Gurdwara. I don't know why. Now we are going home. We thought we'll go to a restaurant, but honestly, I just want to go home. I haven't edited. So let's see if I can edit a little, but we'll just order food. Then we'll watch Gilmore Girls or Dhurandhar, and then we'll sleep. My parents are at Phoenix Mall. They're watching the Bengali movie Ordhangini something. Ekhon badi cholo. Tired ho lag jaye. Kalke I will again go and meet Orpiti because she's leaving day after. It's making me so sad, babe. But it's okay. December hai apan dekha hobe. Badi pahunch gayi. We ended up ordering Momo again. We're like Momo crazy, honestly. We thought we'd order pizza, but then we just said, we're like, no, let's just order Momo. So there's this place. I don't know if it's a restaurant. It's a Momo shop. It's called Lasso Taste of Darjeeling or something. I think it's in Kiarpura. And Zomato is never open for them. Like every time I look, it's like no delivery partner or it's not open. So we started calling them directly, and usually they go out of stock. Today I'm like, Manju, just try your luck. We called just some time back and we were like, listen, do you have? He's like, sir, I'll check and I'll call you. So I was like, okay. And their noodles is also very good. They only have Momo, noodles, fried rice. That's all. He called back. He's like, sir, how many plates? We told him like 3. So he's like, हाँ, okay, हो जाएगा. I was like, noodles hai? He's like, नहीं, noodles नहीं है. We booked a Rapido to get it. It's almost going to be here. I'll go home. I'll do puja. And then change and everything. And then have Momo. As soon as we got back home, our friends called us to ask us if we were going to go for a party. But Manjot and I didn't even think twice. We just wanted to change into our PJs, have dinner, and literally be comfortable and relax. It's such a drastic change because this month I'm literally ending my 20s. And there was a time where we would have never said no to a party. You know how beautiful this looks? When I just enter home and I see this. Guys, just got back home. I thought I should show you guys the sari that Orpiti gave me. It's so beautiful. Like I can't tell you. Wait, Manjot, can you hold the camera? It's so pretty. The prettiest. I don't know. Can you understand the color properly? It's like the prettiest. It's like a dual tone. So it's like gold and pink. And then they have this work, scallop work all over. This is just B6Y. You'll only get it in B6Y, like beyond 6 yards. This is their own work that they have done. It's amazing, and I can't wait to wear it for like Durga Puja or maybe before that. I don't want to open it because I don't know how to fold sarees. Thank you so much, Orpiti, if you're watching. I'm gonna get like such a pretty blouse made. I don't know if you guys could see the color, but guys, just look at the work. After that, I did puja, changed into my PJs, took off my makeup, and had momos for dinner and called it a night, ready for the next day. Have you seen Manjot anywhere? I'm cleaning the bed and there's no place to keep all the pillows, so he was sitting, so I kept it on him. It was a Sunday and the last day of the exhibition. After catching up on much needed housework, we had grilled chicken for breakfast and headed to Safina Plaza. Since it was the last day, it was much more relaxed comparatively, so we finally got to explore the other stalls as well.
This is like a community. Everyone is not Whitefield and Shantiniketan.
As soon as we entered, we headed out to explore the stalls. Since it was the last day of the exhibition, everything felt much more relaxed. I also got to meet Shomi, who is a complete sweetheart. She's a content creator, if you guys don't know. A very well-known one, rather. And we grabbed a slice of chocolate cake outside, along with the softest Korean bun I've ever had.
Wow. Piece of beauty.
She's eating herself.
After indulging in all that food, we chatted for a while before we headed back inside. We met the cutest baby when we went in. Guys, just look at her.
Hey Mika.
Hey, Mika.
Nice. Hey Mika.
Hi, baby. Hello.
You know when you meet somebody for the first time and then instantly click? That's exactly what happened. Shreya Didi, who's on the left, Shomi, and I got along so well. We started talking instantly and connected, and by the end of it, we were already making plans to meet again soon.
See you soon, maybe before going home.
See you very. That means that as soon as we are back.
Later that evening, Orpiti surprised us with the best news.
Okay, guys. So now we are all going. We are now all going. We're going to meet
Ashish Vidyarthi sir.
Yeah, Ashish Vidyarthi sir, and we're gonna chill there for some time, and then come back, and then I don't know, but we will do something. So you guys will see.
Kabo.
Yeah, khide peche. That's true. ठीक है.
Hey, Rameshwaram में खेलने का मन है.
Rameshwaram we can go.
Yeah, 5 kilometers from here.
कौन Rameshwaram?
Indira, right?
Hey, Indiranagar. Oh, I can take you to Indiranagar.
Yeah.
It's my favorite place.
That's what I told.
हाँ, ठीक
Morning
है.
itself,
Done.
so every time.
Yay. Manu's driving.
At first, I actually had no idea what to expect. The event was on Brunton Road in Ashok Nagar, and as soon as we parked, we walked into the auditorium where the show was happening. The entire place felt really nice and calm. When I saw Ashish Vidyarthi sir in person, it really hit me how lucky I was to be there. If you watch the Inside Out vlog, you'll know that Orpiti introduced me to him, and it was such an honor. Before the show began, we even got to go backstage and see what happens behind the scenes. The set was beautiful, there was soft music playing, and his presence filled the room. We stayed there for a while, soaking it all in, and Orpiti even got to ask him a few questions. It was such a lovely interaction. Here's some exclusive behind the scenes footage for you guys, and honestly I really want to thank Orpiti because none of this incredible experience would have been possible without her.
Urpi's here. Welcome, Urpi.
Lovely meeting you, sir. Even you get nervous.
I'm not nervous, I'm excited.
Yeah.
It's going to be an amazing day.
Okay, yes.
Excited.
Best of luck.
এটা মুবিন মুবিনের সাথে আমি শো করি, ইজ মাই প্রোডিউসার। আর আমরা দুজনে ঘুরে ঘুরে শো করি। 4 দিন আগে শো করলাম লন্ডন, ফিরে এসে করলাম চেন্নাই, তারপরে হায়দ্রাবাদ, আজকে ব্যাঙ্গালুরু। কেমন লাগছে সেটটা?
খুব সুন্দর, very beautiful.
Beautiful.
আজ খুব সুন্দর।
In the beginning, I was feeling a little shy, and so I was standing behind, basically next to Manjot. But Orpiti kept telling me to come closer and stand next to her, which was honestly the sweetest thing. That's something only an elder sister would do.
ये जाम भरे भरे एक रात होके निडर मुझे जीने दो ये नयन डरे डरे
Ashish sir had been traveling non-stop between London, Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. Seeing him do all of these shows in such a short time was a true inspiration.
ठीक है क्या बाबा बेटा बेस्ट विशेस बाय ठीक है सी यू
Honestly, that was such an amazing experience, and Orpiti, all thanks to you. Thank you so much. It was so sweet. And I was standing.
Party got.
আমি দাঁড়িয়ে ছিলাম, and then Orpiti is like, come. And so she gave me the confidence to go.
All of a sudden, everything happened.
No, seriously, it was.
আমার এতে সবই আছে বলে আমি ঘুমো।
Guys, I'm finally taking Orpiti to Indiranagar, to Rameshwaram Cafe. I'm so happy about that. We've come to Rameshwaram. We're here. Excited?
Excited. I love Rameshwaram Cafe food, authentic South Indians.
Yeah.
I love their dosa and
Paddu.
Yes, paddu.
Paddu, yeah,
Paddu,
ghee
yes,
paddu.
yes.
One bad habit I have is ordering way too much food. I've gotten much better though after marriage because Manjot keeps me in check. But after such a long day, we were basically two girls who were starving. So I think we got a little carried away.
Wow, आज के dinner में so many rava dosa, idiyappam, paddu, vada,
আর একটা পাড্ডু
আরো dosa,
আর ডোসা বাকি আছে
and then aloo bonda.
ওই আলু বোন্ডা হবে This is Manjot. It was so good. We order and then later we देखा जाएगा. Let's order first.
Babe, how did you like the food and stuff? Rameshwaram is always good. Last time we came to Rameshwaram was with your mom and dad.
Yeah, I think if you give a gap with Rameshwaram, you'll really enjoy it.
Yeah.
Can't have it every week.
Yeah. I agree. Once a month.
Yeah.
We're back to Safina. We're also really full. So, hey guys, this is the sad moment.
Next time.
Yeah.
She has been so helpful, so sweet.
No, I think I gained.
I enjoyed her. Both of them.
No, I gained a sister here. So
Yeah.
that's for sure. I'm just waiting to meet Dada again and Riku baby again. So hopefully soon. Do not.
Kolkata ke liye dekha hoga. For sure.
Okay, so it's 9 and এখন আমরা we're already in Whitefield, Phoenix Mall cross করে ফেলেছি, so not too far. We'll be home. Oh my god, why is it still showing half an hour? I think there's a babe. No one is moving here. What happened suddenly? Anyway, we're gonna be home and then I'm going to do puja. Also, my wedding video is coming up. It'll come in just a few days, but that'll have copyright. But anyway, I'll just upload it anyway because I know a lot of you wanted to see it. It's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday felt like Durga Puja. We literally got out every day. It was crazy, but it was really nice. বাড়ি চলে এসেছি এখন আমরা লিফটে খুব ঘুম পেয়েছে for some reason. I actually didn't tell you guys. I was going by DriveU. Like he booked a DriveU for me because he wasn't supposed to go to Safina Plaza today. We booked a DriveU for me to go from here to Safina Plaza. The driver that was allotted was he was a young guy and apparently he joined DriveU just 1 month back. It was so weird for me. He kept looking back. He physically turned to just look back and look at me, and he did this twice. So it was really creepy and I was like, what happened? Kya hua bhaiya? Kya dekh rahe ho? He's like, kuch. He was looking at me through the mirror. Okay, and it was very creepy. And then he started asking me questions like, kya karte ho idhar? Naukri karte ho? Idhar hi karte ho? Native kahan hai? And I'm like, what are you doing? And then he couldn't drive properly. The car turned off 5-6 times. It was torture. So I was just telling Manjot that listen, cancel this guy when we reach and book someone else. Because I was supposed to come back late. Manjot freaked out and he only took an Uber and came. He's a sweetheart. So he came and now we're very tired. So he left in a rush. So the house was actually dark, which is never dark. But anyway, we're back. Now I'll go change quickly. I'll do puja.
That's a wrap on this vlog. The next one might just be my wedding vlog and I can't wait to share that with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It means more than you know. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me and I'll see you very soon in the next one.